Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into something that might be right beneath your feet but can cause a world of trouble: how tree roots can damage your home's foundation. So, let's get into it. Imagine planting a tiny tree in your yard. It's small, harmless, and pretty to look at. Fast forward several years, and that once little tree has grown its roots deep and wide. Now here's where things get tricky for homeowners. Tree roots naturally seek out water and nutrients, and unfortunately, they often find a great source near or under your home's foundation. As these roots grow, they can exert immense pressure on the foundation. This might not sound like a big deal at first, but it can lead to cracks and even severe structural damage over time. One common sign that tree roots are affecting your foundation is if you notice cracks in the walls or uneven floors inside your home. These are telltale signs that the ground beneath your house isn't stable. Another red flag: changes in how your doors and windows fit their frames. If they suddenly start sticking or won't close properly, it's time to check what's happening below. So what can you do about it? First, consider the location of new trees. Plant them far enough away so that their mature root systems won't reach your home's foundation. If you already have trees near your home, don't rush to remove them. This can sometimes cause more harm than good by destabilizing the soil. Instead, consult with a structural engineer or a tree specialist. They can offer solutions like root barriers, which redirect root growth away from your home. Prevention, as they say, is better than cure. Regular checks and maintenance around your home are key to avoiding costly repairs. Keeping an eye on the landscape can save your